Hi everyone, so welcome to my YouTube channel. So I've been trying for the longest of times to create some really good quality YouTube makeup videos and just videos in general. They never just turn out the way I'd like them to. There's always something wrong with the lighting or the quality of the video or the makeup look, or something just always goes wrong. So today I've decided that I'm just going to film a video and I'm just going to post it, and I'll improve slowly from there on. So I already started off with my foundation and I already did my eyebrows. So I used the L'Oreal True Match Lumi foundation, and for my eyebrows I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade. This is in the shade medium brown. So next I'm going to start off with my eyes. So the palette I'm going to use today is this Morphe 350 Natural Glow eyeshadow palette. It's just a really nice neutrals palette. It's got some really nice matte eyeshadows and shimmer eyeshadows. So to start off, I'm just going to take like a medium brown eyeshadow, and I'm going to take that on a big fluffy brush. So when doing this, you really want to make sure that you're blending out the outer corners of your eyeshadow so you don't have any sharp lines. I'm going to just take a little bit of a darker brown and focus that on the outer corner. Okay, then taking like the same darkish brown, I'm going to just put that also in the inner corner. Okay, then just taking a smaller little fluffy type of brush, I am going to pick up an even darker brown. And I'm going to focus this in my crease. I'm going to just drag that to the inner corner as well. Okay, then going back in with that big fluffy brush, I'm going to pick up a warmish eyeshadow and just put it on these outer edges just to help blend that out. Okay, so going in with an even darker eyeshadow, I'm going to take that on like a flat brush and I'm going to pat that on my outer corner. And then last, I'm going to just go in with a black eyeshadow. Once that's done, I'm just going to go in with this brush again and make sure that the edges are nice and blended. Okay, so my camera stopped filming, but if you don't know what I'm doing, I am carving out my inner corner with some concealer. And I'm going to just take the leftover bits and blend this out. So once you kind of land up with something like this, I'm going to go in with a creamy white eyeshadow and I'm going to pack that on the inner corner. Just go in with a small tiny brush and just clean up those corners. And I'm just taking some of the brown eyeshadow again, just to blend those together. So once I've got this kind of look going on, I'm actually going to go in with some more of that black just to darken up those outer corners. Really want them to be dark. To actually go in and do a little liquid liner, I'm going to use this Ciate Starstruck eyeliner. I'm just going to switch over to this NYX liquid liner just because I feel like it's more easier to use. Next I'm going to grab this micellar cleansing water from Garnier just on a cotton pad. Just going to put the slightest bit on, and this really helps just to clean this up. Just gonna apply some mascara. Oops. By the way, this is It's Cosmetic Superhero Mascara. It's really good. Once I've done that, one last time, I'm gonna go in with some more black eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna join it in with this wing. So next I am going to apply lashes. So these I actually bought on Amazon. They're just like so fluffy and pretty. So I'm going to just grab some of my concealer. So I'm taking the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in Light. And I'm just going to apply this under my eyes. And I'm actually going to mix it with a little bit of a darker one, just so that it's not super light. And you can apply this to the rest of your face as well. So I'm just going to blend that out with my beauty blender. Okay, so once that's all blended out, I'm going to go in and just apply some, what do you call it, eyeshadow to my bottom lashes. So I'm going to just go in with a brown. And then I'm going to go in with some black and just really push that as close as I can to my eyelashes. So next I'm going to take this Catrice Contour Duo Stick. So it's got a light end and a dark end. I'm just going to go in with the dark end and contour. Okay, so I cut out before I started doing this, but this is a Bodyography lip liner and this is in the shade Timber. And then I am going to use this Anastasia Beverly Hills Butterscotch Lip Gloss. It's just a really pretty nude. Okay, so that's the final video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and that the quality wasn't as bad as I make it out to be, but a promise is a promise. I do know there were a few bits and pieces where the camera just stopped recording on its own, but that's something I'm gonna have to just figure out as I go. But thank you so much for watching and Happy New Year. May your new year be filled of, happiness and just lots and lots of love.